In the middle of the night, someone like this emerges from the darkness, wearing some kind of strange mask on their face, and it's all caught on the doorbell camera. They ring the doorbell, but whatever you do, don't open the door. They might not have good intentions. In fact, as soon as the door isn't opened and they notice the doorbell camera, they quickly walk away. He does something unworthy of a food delivery courier. He takes the package left at the door and walks away. At least he dropped off the food. Why is this person on the bike being so careless? In this situation, who do you think is at fault? The driver or the cyclist? The answer seems pretty obvious. At least no one got hurt. This guy clearly has issues with his neighbor.
Hey,
but why,
is
I
your
wonder?
parent home? I live underneath you. I don't know what's going on up here, but it happens all the time, and I'm about to call the resource officer. It's extremely disrespectful. All the bouncing around, slamming on the floor. It's loud. And it's very loud and disturbing to us.
The car, it's in the car.
This woman had just pulled up to her house when she encountered these two young men. She was forced out of her car at gunpoint, and just as they were about to steal the vehicle, they couldn't figure out how to drive it. So instead, they grabbed whatever was inside and ran off. This man, running from the police, tried to jump over a yard fence to escape into the woods, but he fell hard while landing, which slowed him down a lot. The officers quickly caught up and arrested him. What do you think he was running from? This man pulled up in a large vehicle and approached the house. But what was he thinking? He crouched under the car and started doing something underneath. What could he have been trying to take? Luckily, the homeowner was inside and noticed someone outside. They warned him that they were calling the police, and of course, the man quickly took off.
Get away from my car right now. Call the police. He was trying to steal our converter. Just now. Yeah. Someone's trying to steal our converter off our car. Isn't that crazy?
This man was caught in the act of stealing a car and tried to run, but he had no idea how many cops were already on his tail. In the end, he was caught, and now he's facing even more prison time for trying to flee from the police. They pulled up in a car in front of the house and started firing shots into the air, then quickly drove away. This woman was rummaging through the mailbox, and when she couldn't find anything, she noticed the nearby packages and took off with them. He came fully equipped for a burglary and is cutting through the metal security bars. Do you think he could have made it inside?
We're gonna get dried up. It's time to get dried.
The owner had no idea where the dog got wet, but tried to dry it off with a towel. Thinking it was a game, the dog ran off, sprinting around playfully. In the end, the owner managed to catch the dog and dry it off.
You're getting dried up. You're getting dried up. No, you better come.
An unbelievably brave cat stands its ground against 3 coyotes, and they don't even dare get close. They set their sights on a massive jet ski and casually lifted it away like it was nothing. Wasn't that heavy? After all, it's usually towed by a car. A man was about to take his dog outside when he came face to face with a raccoon. Realizing it was about to attack, he quickly got into the car with his dog. Watch out for raccoons. They might not be as cute as they seem. This woman deliberately stands at the door, looking around to see if anyone's watching. Once she thinks the coast is clear, she grabs the package in front of the door. But there's one thing she didn't count on: the doorbell camera. This guy sets his sights on the bikes and crouches in front of the fence, thinking he's hidden while checking things out. Once he sees no one's home, he quietly slips inside, grabs a bike, and even places the items from the bike onto the steps before taking off. So bold and casual. Two thieves tried to break into this house, but the door was locked, and the homeowner was watching everything through the doorbell camera. As soon as they spoke through the mic, the thieves took off immediately. Any idea who they might be? Recognize them?
Police on their way right now.
This thief stole a package from the basket in front of the door late at night, but by morning they brought it back. Turns out it was full of personal items and had no value to them. He's even trying to use his coat to hide the stolen packages. This man tried to break into the house with a knife in his hand. No one knows exactly what he was after. Whatever the case, never open the door to someone you don't recognize.
Hey, Chris.
Hey, I'm at the front door. It's locked.
Yeah, I just saw you. He took the key. He opened up the door. The front door is open, right?
No, it's not open.
Oh, he must have locked it back. He must be like walking